Hello everyone. So in our previous video, we created our server and also connected Socket.io to our project. So in this video, I'm going to send message from our client to server, and also we receive message from our server. So let's create a function here. When we click send button, we want to send message from our client to server. So I just writing here one click send message. Let's let's write the functionality of send message function. We want to emit our message to server. So we just write here socket dot emit, and we are giving here a parameter that is very important, send message, and we want to pass our message. In our backend, we have to write this same parameter, send message. Okay, that's all for our front end. Let's go to backend part, and wait a minute please. And here we were writing here socket.on and giving here this same parameter, send message. And we are accepting our message. Now after receiving our message, we want to send this message to our client. So we just console our message so that we can understand we actually receive message from our client to server. Let's check it out. Hello, here you can see we are receiving this message from client to server. Now we want to send this message from server to client. So let's write this functionality, socket.emit, and we are giving here another parameter to receiving message. I am writing here receive message. You can write anything as you wish. And we want to emit our message, so I just write here message. That's it for our backend. Let's receive message from server. How to receive message? So to receive a message, we have to remember this parameter, and also socket, let's say socket.on, and I'm giving here same parameter, and we are going to accept our message. And after this, we want to send we want to set this message in another variable. So let's create this variable. I create this variable as name received message. You can give anything as you wish. I'm just giving here received message, and let's check this spelling. And we are going to set this received message to our message. So that's it for our that's it for to accept message from server. Let's print this. Send message. So I'm going to open two window so that we can understand that we are receiving message. So this message we received in every socket that is exist in this local host. If we send from here hello, oops, we are not receiving any message here. So something a mistake. Let's see. Of course, here we have to give IO. Sorry for that. Let's check it out again. Mm, Let's refresh it first. And if we send any message from here, hello there. Here you can see we are receiving message in every socket that is connected to this local host. So we are successfully sending and receiving message from between server and client using socket.io. So in our next video, we are going to create our room, and we are sending message to room and receive message to room. So thank you.